What's the meaning of acclaim? Acclaim. 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 The word acclaim means to welcome or praise someone or something enthusiastically. It can also mean to announce or proclaim something with enthusiasm. Acclaim can be expressed in a variety of ways, including applause, cheers, or simply a word of praise. When someone or something is acclaimed, it means that they have been recognized for their achievements or contributions. Acclaim can be a powerful motivator, and it can help to raise the profile of those who have been recognized. Briefly, acclaim is the act of welcoming or praising someone or something enthusiastically. It can be expressed in a variety of ways, and it can be a powerful motivator.